Hello, my friends. My name is Karina Alvarez. I'm a nutritionist from Cooking for a Change, and I'm a certified yoga instructor from Surya-World. And Surya-World and Cooking for a Change, we are here to help you with some ideas, very easy ideas for cooking. And we need something very quickly and just a few ingredients and ingredients that we usually have on hand. So today I came with the idea of what about Ayurveda tacos? What about Ayurveda tacos? That's weird, right? Or something different, never seen before. Well, yes. So these are the ingredients we're gonna use. We're gonna need 4 cups of garbanzo chickpeas. You can use canned if you can. Some sweet potato, lime or lemon, fresh cilantro, mushrooms, onion and serrano peppers, garlic, another onion. We are gonna need some bell pepper, any color you want, some avocado to serve, of course tortillas, and jicamas just for serving and the texture. And here are the spices we're gonna need. These are coriander, ground coriander, paprika. You can use smoked paprika if you like the flavor of smoking, fine ground black pepper, ground cumin, chipotle for the flavor, and then some salt, and of course olive oil to cook. Now let's get to cutting. Here we have the ingredients we are going to use for the Ayurvedic tacos. We are going to use an iron wok, so we're going to put some little bit of olive oil. We can right away put our onion, little bit of the red one also, not all, just little bit. The other one we're gonna use it at the end. Now we're going to add the garlic and a little bit of this chili. If you don't like chili much, you don't add. So in the meantime, I'm going to explain to you why Ayurvedic tacos. Ayurveda, it's an ancient medicine from India. So in the Ayurveda, we have 6 flavors. The bitter, sour, salty, sweet, pungent, and also the astringent one. So there's 6 flavors in the Ayurvedic medicine. We're going to add now the sweet potato. So because it's not cooked, we want to cook it. But before this, we are going to put also the spices. Right now, in the onion, we're gonna add cumin to it. Cumin right now. And also we are going to add some coriander to the onion. And also we are going to add some paprika. Never mind, we can pinch like that, and when we can open. Mix it all. We're gonna let the sweet potato cook because it's not cooked. It's raw. So, but because it's chopped very little, it will cook faster. I think it's time to add now the mushrooms. I cut it roughly, just in big pieces, little pieces, different pieces. So mushrooms are going to add the meaty texture to this dish for the tacos. So we're gonna mix it. We're going to add more paprika. Yeah, just for the color and a little bit of taste. Yes. We can add now some of the black pepper. Yeah. We are not going to add right now the salt because we want the mushrooms not to lose much of the water. You see how it's important not to add the salt yet, because now the mushrooms are not releasing a lot of water. So also the sweet potato is using the mushrooms' natural water, so to cook properly. So now it's time to add the garbanzo beans. Very nice. I'm going to add or cooked garbanzo beans. So we're going to add a little bit of chipotle if you have. So chipotle is going to add that taste, like smoky taste, with a little delicious flavor. We're going to add now the salt, and it's almost done. We're going to add now some lemon. We're going to beat. Yeah, very nice. Okay, lemon, and we're going to let they're cooking for a little bit more time. In the meantime, I'm gonna now tell you about why the flavors, the 6 flavors. Each flavor corresponds to a certain area of the tongue, which stimulates a particular organ. It is very important to activate all organs equally for them to function properly. That is why it's very important to cook with the Ayurvedic principles. Now it's time to add the mushrooms, the bell pepper, the green and the red. Why I like to add it at the end? Because the bell pepper cook very quickly, and I want the bell pepper to keep the color, bright color, and the consistency, the texture of the bell pepper crunchy and colorful. So I really like to cook with all the principles. For me, it's very important. You can eat also with your eyes, with your spirit. It's nice. So we're going to add some cilantro, fresh cilantro, at the end also. So we're going to heat some tortillas here, and we are going to start eating and tasting these delicious tacos. So voila, here it is. Very nice, delicious. I taste a little garbanzo, and it's right there. Very nice. So for me, it's very important to have a meal complete in nutrition, and also I like to have all the colors, the bright colors, and use as much as colors I can. I always like to bring my kids to taste my food, because they are always the best to taste and prove if this deliciousness are really delicious. So here is the ani. So we are going to add here avocado, jicama or jicama. Here I prepare jicama with onion and serrano pepper, and with lemon, salt, and black pepper. So you can add here to the tacos a little bit. So, and a little bit more of one avocado, one here, and a little bit of cilantro to the taco. So now, voila. It's double tortilla. Yeah. Double tortilla, because it's little tacos, mini tacos. Good. Now it's your turn to make yours at home. So that's it for all my friends. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel, Surya World, Cooking for a Change, and give a like this video and share to your friends and family, and see you next time. This is how a Mexican eat a taco. Mm.